Welcome to the Full Audio Books Short Stories channel. The author, Sandy Ingram, holds the print, digital and audio rights.
Jorge travels to New York City. Maria said to her guests, "Good morning. How did you sleep last night?" George replied, "I had a good night's sleep." Yesterday was a long day. I traveled from Mexico City to New York City. Maria asked, "Would you like to see New York City today, or would you rather rest?" George replied, "Yes, I want to visit the city today." Maria said, "Good. Be ready at 10 a.m. We will take public transportation. It is easier." Maria and George took the subway into the city. New York City and Mexico City are the two largest cities on the North American continent. George wanted to see all the major attractions: the Brooklyn Bridge, Central Park, and the Empire State Building. Maria and George decided to have lunch in the city. "Hello, my name is Tony. I will be your server this afternoon," the waiter said. "May I start you off with cocktails or a glass of wine?" Maria said, "I will have a glass of house white wine." George said, "I will have a cup of tea." The waiter brought a cup of tea and a glass of white wine to the table. He then said, "We have two excellent specials today: salmon on a bed of rice with sweet peas, or tuna salad with baby shrimp." Maria immediately said, "I will have the salmon on the bed of rice, please." George said, "I will have the same." George didn't read English that well, so he ordered what Maria ordered. George likes his Airbnb host and hoped that she likes him too. Maria and George spent the rest of the day and early evening touring New York City. George would be touring the city by himself for the rest of the week. He wanted to learn as much as he could about the public transportation system and the money exchange. 4 quarters equals $1 US. 5 US dollars. 10 US dollars. 20 US dollars. 50 US dollars. 100 US dollars. George is now back in Mexico City, the largest city on the North American continent. He enjoyed his trip to New York City. Thank you for watching the video. Hit the subscribe button and ring the bell to be notified when new videos are uploaded. Spanish translation by Google Translate.
If you enjoy the short stories created for Sandy's YouTube channel, please subscribe and hit the bell to be notified when new audiobooks are uploaded.